Yesterday in social studies, we started to talk about how can I be a good shopper? And two of our vocabulary words, need and want. How can I be a good shopper? I'm going to reread the introduction because I want us to hear the vocabulary words that go along with this again. People use money to buy the things they need and want. Needs are things people must have to live. Wants are things people would like to have but don't need to live. Can you think of those things? Things that are needs and things that are wants? People make choices about what to buy when they shop. In this chapter, you will learn how to make good decisions when you go shopping. Yesterday, also, we looked at this picture of a boy who was in the store and had to make some decisions, and also other children who had to make some decisions about shopping. The picture on the left is from the Social Studies notebook page. This is what you did in Seesaw, so let's go over that. You had to look at the picture and answer questions. So number 1 says, Tyrone wants a scooter. Why can't he buy one? Well, let's find scooters. Scooters sold out. If something is sold out, you cannot purchase it. It means the item is not there. So that means that you have to move on and make a decision about buying something else. Sometimes things that we want are not always available, and that disappoints us, and that means that we have to make a decision and choose something else. Number 2 says, Miko wants a pencil. She has 10 cents. Can she buy one? Why or why not? Let's see, pencils are right here. 25 cents each, or pencils right here, 2 for 25 cents. 25 cents each, or 2 for 25 cents each. She has 10 cents. Can she buy one? Well, the cost is 25 cents and she has 10 cents. Is 10 cents equal to 25 or more than 25? No, 10 cents is less than 25, so she cannot buy one because she does not have enough money. Sometimes when we would like to buy something at the store, we cannot purchase it because we do not have enough money to purchase it. So sometimes we might see a toy, or we might see candy or a snack food that we'd really like to buy, but maybe we did not bring enough money with us. So we either cannot buy it or we have to make a decision to buy something else. Number 3, Maria has $2. She needs some crayons for school. Why can't she buy them? So let's find the crayons. They're right here. Crayons are $3, and she has 2. We know that 2 is less than 3, so she needs to bring one more dollar to the store. When I start to read, I want you to think about this important question. Why is it important to buy the things we need before the things we want? So I want you to think about that. The first heading in our reading today, we buy what we need. There is a difference between what we need and what we want. People need food. People need clothing. People need shelter. People sometimes want things they don't need. You may want lots of toys. You may need a new pair of shoes. We make a good choice when we buy the things we need first. What things do you need? What things do you want? So our question is, why is it important to buy the things we need before the things we want? So we listed some of the things that we need: food, clothing, shelter. Are these things important before toys or candy? I think they are. We may want some of those things, but we have to put first and make good choices to buy the things we need first. Then sometimes we are able to get the things that we want. Our next heading: we are good shoppers. How can you be a good shopper? Here are some hints. Shop for needs before wants. Look for goods that are made well. That means that they will last a long time. Look in a few stores for the best price. That means that sometimes some stores will have items that you may want on sale, and you might get a better deal. Shop around. Keep your sales receipt. If something is wrong with what you buy, you may be able to return it to the store. How are you a good shopper? And then down here at the bottom, we have our summary. This will help us think about and talk about what we've learned in this chapter. It says, people use money to buy things. They also save money for later. People shop for goods and services. Good shoppers buy what they need first. Then they buy the things they want.